How to enable quick weapon switching in Blood Strike. Are you playing Blood Strike and want to switch weapons faster in the middle of the fight? If yes, follow through these instructions. First things first, launch open the Blood Strike game and wait until you reach the main lobby page. From the lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. Now once you're inside this settings menu, under basic, go to simple and you'll see the auto switch weapons option. Tap on the square box right next to auto switch and then you can go ahead and adjust or enable switch option right next to rifle switch, SMG switch, shotgun switch or any other weapon switch option. Make sure that you have turned on this switch option over here, and once you are done you can get back to the home page, and this will reduce weapon swap delay and makes switching between your guns much faster during fights. If you found the video to be helpful at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.